Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down network marketing, affiliate marketing, and AI strategies to help you grow your business. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for network marketers, social media. If you're struggling to attract leads, build a personal brand, or turn followers into business partners, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step plan to dominate social media and take your network marketing business to the next level. Stick around to the end and I will show you my #1 tool for network marketers. Let's go! Not all social media platforms are created equal, and you don't need to be on all of them to succeed. Here's a quick breakdown. Facebook. Great for groups, community building, and organic conversations. Instagram. Perfect for visual branding, lifestyle content, and reels. TikTok. Short-form videos work wonders for quick engagement and viral content. YouTube. Long-form content builds credibility and passive traffic over time. LinkedIn. A goldmine if your business leans toward professional services or B2B. Here's an action step for you to take now. Choose 1 or 2 platforms where your ideal audience spends the most time. Drop a comment below with your top pick. In network marketing, you are the brand. Not your company, not your product, you. So, how do you create a personal brand that attracts the right people? Pick your niche. Instead of just promoting your company, focus on a specific audience. For example, busy moms who want to earn an extra income from home. Define your message. What do you stand for? Health, wealth, time, freedom? Make it clear. Consistency is key. Use the same profile picture, bio, and colors across all platforms. Here's a pro tip. Create a tagline that makes you instantly recognizable. For example, helping entrepreneurs build passive income through smart social media strategies. Remember, people join people, not companies. Content is king, but engagement is queen, and she runs the house. Here's how to create content that actually drives results. The 3 E's of social media content. Educate. Teach something valuable, like 5 ways to grow your network marketing business using AI. Entertain. Fun, relatable, behind-the-scenes content. Engage. Ask questions, create polls, and encourage interaction. Here is the winning post formula. You should do 80% value-driven content, 20% promotional. People don't like being sold to, but they love stories and solutions. Video is hands down the most effective way to build trust fast. But I get it, being on camera can feel intimidating. So here are some tips to overcome camera shyness. Start with short videos like 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on delivering value, not perfection. And use scripts or bullet points to stay on track. Here are the best video formats for network marketing. Testimonial videos. Day in the life vlogs. Behind the scenes of your business. And of course, success stories and transformations. Most people think success on social media is about getting likes and followers. Wrong. It's really about building relationships. Here's how to boost engagement and turn followers into business partners. Comments and DMs. Always reply to comments and start conversations in DMs. Stories and polls. Instagram and Facebook stories are gold for casual engagement. Do live videos. Lives build instant credibility and allow real-time interaction. And here's a pro tip. Follow the 5-3-1 rule. Like 5 posts. Comment on 3. And DM 1 person every day. Remember, likes don't pay the bills, conversations do. Now, let's talk about how AI is changing the game for network marketers. If you're not leveraging it yet, you're leaving money on the table. Here are some top AI tools for social media. ChatGPT. For content ideas, scripts, and captions. Canva for AI content. powered design for posts and stories. ManyChat to automate DMs and lead generation. And InVideo for AI-assisted video editing. Use AI for efficiency, but always add a personal touch to keep it authentic. Now, remember when I told you that I would tell you about the #1 tool for network marketers? Here it is! Enter SPARKY AI, a game changer in social media strategies for network marketing success. SPARKY AI is your personal AI assistant, designed to optimize your social media presence and drive engagement. With advanced retargeting capabilities, SPARKY ensures your leads never slip through the cracks. From crafting compelling posts to following up with leads via calls, texts, and emails, SPARKY AI works tirelessly to keep your network growing. Imagine this. A potential lead visits your landing page. SPARKY AI instantly retargets them across the internet, keeping your brand top of mind. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, SPARKY AI ensures your message reaches the right audience at the right time. With SPARKY AI, you gain access to a personalized dashboard that integrates multiple revenue opportunities, empowering you to maximize returns while focusing on what you do best, building connections and growing your team. From automated follow-ups to live call transfers, SPARKY AI is the ultimate partner in your network marketing journey. It's not just a tool, it's your enthusiastic trailblazer, working around the clock to ensure your success. Ready to revolutionize your social media strategies and take your network marketing to the next level? SPARKY AI is here to make it happen. For more information, click the link in the description below. Social media success doesn't happen overnight, but the key to winning is consistency and patience. Here is a simple post schedule. Do 3 to 5 feed posts per week, 5 to 10 stories per day, 1 to 2 reels or TikToks per week, and 1 live video per week. Here's a pro tip. Plan content in advance to stay consistent without burnout. The goal isn't just to grow an audience, it's to build a team. Here's how to turn engagement into real business. First, create curiosity, not spam. Instead of saying, "Join my company," share a story of how your business changed your life. Second, DM with value. For example, "Hey Bob, I saw your comment about working from home. Are you looking for extra income?" Third, follow up and close. The fortune is in the follow-up. Provide value, answer objections, and offer a simple call to action. That's it! Now you have a complete roadmap to crush social media for network marketing success. Which strategy are you going to implement first? Drop it in the comments! If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Ready to scale your business even faster? Check out SPARKY AI in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's build success together. God bless.